Ever wondered how some people accumulate incredible wealth while others struggle to make ends meet? Is there a secret formula to becoming rich that you're missing out on? In this video, we'll uncover 10 habits that rich people practice that poor people don't. These habits often make the difference between financial success and financial distress. Number 1. The rich believe in the law of income. Wealthy individuals understand they are paid in direct proportion to the value they deliver to the marketplace. They focus on output and results in a results-driven world. Poor people, on the other hand, often believe they should be paid based on the time they put in, missing the mark by focusing on input rather than output. Number 2. The rich are avid readers. The saying, "The more you learn, the more you earn," is a mantra for the wealthy. Warren Buffett, for instance, reads 500 pages a day. Other successful individuals like Mark Cuban, Bill Gates, and Elon Musk also dedicate significant time to reading. Conversely, only 1 in 50 poor people admit to daily self-improvement reading habits. Number 3. The rich focus on opportunities, not obstacles. Rich people see potential where others see problems. They turn challenges into opportunities, unlike poor individuals who often give up when faced with obstacles. Number 4. The rich associate with positive, successful people. They understand the saying, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." By surrounding themselves with successful and positive individuals, they optimize their worldview and opportunities. Poor people often lack this effort, resulting in missed chances for growth. Number 5. The rich promote themselves and their value. Wealthy individuals aren't afraid to share their strengths and market their skills. They understand the importance of self-promotion. Poor people, often being average in their skills, fail to promote themselves, leading to financial mediocrity. Number 6. The rich grow bigger than their problems. They thrive on new challenges and see value in creating solutions. Poor people, however, view problems as obstacles and often return to their status quo. Number 7. The rich think both, not either or. They find ways to achieve multiple goals instead of choosing between them. For example, instead of deciding between a $5 ice cream or a $5 pack of gum, they might invest in a 24-pack of water, sell each bottle for a profit, and afford both the ice cream and the gum, plus have extra money left. Number 8. The rich focus on net worth, not working income. They prioritize building their net worth over earning a high hourly wage. Poor people focus on hourly pay, which doesn't necessarily translate to long-term wealth. Number 9. The rich are dollar smart. They make wise decisions with both small and large sums of money. While poor people might be careful with small expenditures but reckless with large ones, the rich invest in self-improvement and education for continual growth. Number 10. The rich network and volunteer regularly. They understand the value of building connections and community involvement. Nearly 3/4 of wealthy people network and volunteer regularly, unlike only 1 in 10 among the poor. In conclusion, these 10 habits are just some factors that set the rich apart from the poor. By adopting these rich personal habits, you'll be better equipped to achieve financial success. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more informative content.